We're at 4943 Yacht Harbor Drive. This is in Pensacola off of Olive Road and Scenic Highway. We're entering through the front door here. We've come to our living room. We have tile flooring throughout the majority of the home and then carpet in the bedrooms. We've got a fresh coat of paint all throughout. We do have a linen closet, a coat closet directly behind our front door. Now we'll take you to the kitchen. We've got lots of good cabinet space in here, fridge, stove, and dishwasher all included, butcher block style countertops. We have our exit to our back side yard, and then here is our laundry room. So this is off the kitchen. Turning around here so you can see our kitchen again. Now we'll head down a hallway to our bedrooms and bathroom. At the end of the hallway, we have our linen closet. First on the left is bedroom number 1. This is a very good sized bedroom. We do have carpeting in this bedroom and the other bedroom. So this is on the front side of the unit. Heading back out, we'll go straight across the hallway. Here is bedroom number 2. So this is on the back side of the unit. Also very good size closets in both of these bedrooms as well. Going back out, now we'll take you to the bathroom. Here is our bathroom. We have tub shower combo, good size vanity here as well. Coming back out. Now we are back in the living room. Again, this is 4943 Yacht Harbor Drive, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.